good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, according to what your time says right now. I hope you're doing fine at the moment. Okay, in this video, we're going to find out how chubby Nollywood actress Moyo Lawal has disclosed the identity of the man who released a private video of her that made the rounds on social media weeks ago. Please enjoy watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon notification button for more videos like this. Popular Nollywood actress Moyo Lawal has disclosed that her ex-boyfriend released a private video of her that made the rounds on social media weeks ago. On her Instagram page on Sunday evening, Lawal disclosed that the sex tape was not released by her. According to the actress, her ex-boyfriend released the sex tape. She berated those claiming she released the tape herself. Moyo Lawal wrote, "Until a lioness tells her story, every hunter will continue to be a hero. People always take quiet, non-problematic people for fools. However, I think it is time for me to start talking. One thing I can tell you for a fact, however, that things are never what they seem to be. I only had it twice last year. One of those times was the video that I agreed to because he started recording after the fact that he doesn't live in Nigeria. He put in a lot of work winning my trust over the years, and I mean a lot. So much so, we were already working towards a house marriage and all." In her words, she said, "That is why I had to break up with him last year when I started having communication challenges with him, because I put my entire life on pause with any man I am dating. I have not made so many sacrifices by turning down so many dating offers, sleeping alone 90% of my entire adult life, and choosing to be alone to have an ugly video that happened when I was ill hanging over my head." Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon notification button for more videos like this.